beginner across the floor combination number 10, taught at teacher speed from our lifetime all access pass at unitedtaps.com. That's what we're going to learn today. Stick around to find out how to get the music and written notes all for free. Before we jump in, let's take a look. There you have it. Let's break it down teacher speed. So I'm going to walk you through this starting with the right foot. You have flap, heel, clunk, step, step, stamp, stamp. Flap, heel, toes, clap, toes, clap, toes, clap, toes. I'm going to do that again. 6 with counts. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From here, repeat the beginning. And 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Followed by flap, heel, heels clap, heels clap, heels clap, heel. So it's basically the same pattern the second time, but you replace the toes claps with heels claps. Let's do the whole thing with counts. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Let's give it a try with the music. If you're enjoying this combination, you're going to love our lifetime all access pass at unitedtaps.com. It's got a structured curriculum that builds from lesson to lesson, plus extras like choreography, across the floor, practice exercises, and a whole suite of teacher tools. You can find more information at the link below. All right, let's give this a shot with some music. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. You can, of course, reverse that to the left. Let's go over the harder version. Instead of flap heel, we're going to do flap heel, flap heel with the back heel first. Step, step, stamp, stamp, flap heel, flap heel. Then we're going to twist the toes, right, left, right, center. Second half, flap heel, flap heel, clunk, step, step, stamp, stamp, flap heel, right, left, right, center. That's how I build this one more time. Then we have music. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and twist. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and twist. 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Music, my friends. 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you so much for tapping with me. To get the music and the written notes for free, just click on that link down below, and at that same link you'll find information on our lifetime all access pass, which gets you access to a ton of content you can use in your classes, as well as a suite of teacher tools. I think you'll enjoy it. I, of course, am Rod Howe from unitedtaps.com, making teaching tap easier for you.